Dave, you are going to love Big Bird in China. I watched this movie when I was a little girl, and I had it on VHS for a while, pulled everything out of the moving box.
Here it is, Barkley. Just like I told you. Yes, I want to show Barkley the picture of the beautiful Chinese bird.
Feng Quang.
Feng who?
Feng Quang, te puanix bird of China. Te visestan most beautiful gallbirds.
What are phoenix?
A phoenix is a bird that lives in China. You'll see that in the movie.
Big Bird's going to all the places that's in the same picture?
Yes.
Dad, Amy, what are you guys watching?
Yeah, what are you guys watching?
We're watching Big Bird in China.
Yes, guys. I watched that movie when I was a little girl. And Dave, the duckies' dancing is my favorite part of this movie. You're watching my favorite part.
Wow, hello, oh boy, those vegetables. Hey Barkley, look how nice they got. Barkley, that's not me, I'm over here.
Not me, I'm over here.
Don't mind him, he's not really brave.
A rooster?
Look Dave, this is how Chinese people dance.
Zhejian?
It means goodbye in Chinese. And here comes my favorite part of this movie. I don't know what they're singing in Chinese. But I like this Chinese song.
Xiaofu?
Xiaofu is a Chinese little girl.
His name is not Danielle. His name is Big Bird.
Danao means big bird in Chinese.
Oh, I see. Wow. Big Bird is writing something in Chinese.
Yes. Would you like to write Chinese someday? And learn Chinese someday?
Yes, Enheo.
Very good. Ni hao means hello in Chinese. And I am part Chinese.
Wow. Telly and Oscar's eyes are glowing in the dark. They are looking for the Great Wall of China. Big Bird found the Great Wall of China.
Yes. Would you like to come to the Great Wall of China someday? My grandma and grandpa lived in China.
Yes, a monkey.
It's that same monkey that the China shop lady was talking about.
I forgot about that same monkey that she's talking about. Oh. He's saying that in Chinese. An elephant? That statue looks like a horse. Hey. They found a camel. The next clue. Pass the elephant that drinks the river dry. He found the same bridge that's in the picture.
At first the monkey came on hiding you see him flip himself into a tree while you just sit and scratch a flea that's biting on your shoulder. He loves to hide, he loves to play, you tiptoe up and run away, he tease you and your dog will take his lead and lift a notice. But when he's tired of hide and seek, he'll pop right up beneath your beak and blink his eyes and scratch his cheek because you didn't notice. So to try to make you see, he'll flip himself into a tree while you just sit and scratch a flea that's biting on your shoulder. He'll reach into his bag of tricks, be 1 or 2 or 3 or 6, or be a monster just for kicks. The things he'll do are quite absurd, but he'll refuse to be deterred. He's always had the final word, the strangest thing you've ever heard. The very thought about a bird, lucky noticed by a bird.
Oh my. Big Bird accidentally knocked Barkley down, and he fell into the water, and he was shaking the water off. He found the last picture on the scroll.
Listen to the story.
Oh my goodness. Oscar and Telly made it to China. They all found the phoenix bird.
Here comes my other favorite part. Did you like this movie, Dave?
Yes, it's my favorite Chinese movie.